Hi everyone, how are we today? So today I'm just going to do a little crafter's tip video. It was really well received when I posted it on my blog, not my blog, my Facebook page back in July, and it's what to do when you've stamped an image and you no longer decide to use that said image. So for example here I stamped this image from the Artfully Folded stamp set twice in two different colours, Balmy Blue and Blushing Bride, and I decided I'm going to go completely different, and I think in the end I went for Mint Macaron. So now I've got this piece of paper. I don't want to throw it away because it's a piece of Whisper White. I might come back and say, oh, I need a Balmy Blue, sorry, Swan, and I've already got one. So what I do is I have cellophane bag here, which I've just cut off the top, so it's a little pocket, and all I do is I use the scissors adhesive sheets, peel it off like so, put that to one side, and put this on the back of there, press it down and peel it off. So there we have a sticky strip almost, as you can see, like so, and then I open up the stamp set and just pop it on the inside like so, and then when I'm like, okay, I need this one from this stamp set for this colour, can just have it already in there like so. So I have done this with other stamp sets, as I'm sure you know. One of my favourites is Botanical Bliss, and inside, as you can see, I've got some little bits and pieces. So some Smoky Slate stamped onto Smoky Slate. I have lots of purples and pinks that I've just decided not to use, and I don't want to waste them by throwing them away, so they're just popped inside. And this can be done with all your stamp sets. Let me have a look. So I've also got Time for Tea, where I've also just got them in here ready to go. If ever I decided I'm going to use one of them in that particular colour, I've got it there and ready. I hope you use this technique, well, use the tip even, it's not really a technique, and hopefully it helps you to keep everything organised. Let me know how you find it and keep in touch. See you later. Bye.